hallway back there. There's about 15 properties here I want to estimate.
You have to record the 2 doorknobs.
I think I recorded it over there.
That's pretty weird. They both work though. Watch. What? Oh no. You see how that goes in?
That's really fun, really well now.
But it doesn't look like it opens it.
Huh.
It looks like this one only opens it.
That's really different. I do like this little thing.
Yeah, me too. We should get one. Let's buy the house based off of this.
You can definitely hear the noises upstairs. That's really annoying. You can hear everything. I mean, the living room is a decent size.
He's already ready to go.
Yeah, he's like, what the hell did you guys bring me to? The living dining area is a little small.
You like your view?
That's my view.
At least it's glass.
But it's the parking lot. And then we have the kitchen. Is there light in here? Yes.
It's big.
It's actually a really big kitchen.
You can hear everything.
Yeah, but you can hear everything. This is really outdated.
See, this is cool. The inner little
Yeah.
like.
Even this is cool because it's real. I actually like the kitchen in here. You get a little storage closet. This looks really basic. I don't know too much about that. Oh, this is funny.
Just a random table.
Yeah.
Ooh, see the bathroom?
No. Well,
Is this a built-in?
no. It's you can get it out.
It's gonna come with the house, I guess. Ooh, there's a spider.
This is cute. Kind of. In a way. Oh, there's a cricket.
I like this. I mean, who needs a medicine cabinet when you can...
Open it both ways.
Yeah, I like that. It's just old.
It's quirky.
But the tile, you know you love a good tile.
I wonder what the purpose of that is.
I wonder what the purpose of just tiling this little section was.
Yeah, it's weird. And then it's 2 different tiles down there. You have a pink shower, if you're into that stuff. Some hallway storage space. I kind of like that you can block this entire space off. No? Just me?
You like it? No, you don't like it.
Oh, I don't like the lighting in here. Look at that.
You don't like it? No. I saw. There's another spider. I don't like spiders. No, you don't like spiders.
Oh, there's another. No, I don't like spiders. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, goodbye.
I was just over there.
I'm out. How long has this place been inhabitated to where there's 10 spiders?
Doesn't take very long for spiders to make their home. Oh my god, that's disgusting. That's a lot of mold back there. And who knows what.